everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I am going to be showing you the new Christmas inserts from the Happy Planner. I'm not a big disc bound type person, but I will use it occasionally, and I love the way these holiday inserts are set up. They're amazing. I didn't put a cover yet on this one, so that's what today's video is going to be about. I am going to be going over the Happy Planner holiday planning system. I actually bought a Happy Planner punch because I've been wanting one for a while. The thing is, I don't use a Happy Planner much, but I do love the versatility of the Happy Planner, being I can pull pages out, and it's very simple to make your own dashboard or cover. I've made Happy Planner covers before. And the thing is, I love the quality of the Happy Planner. I love the price of the Happy Planner. It has nothing to do with the planner, why I don't use that as my everyday actual planner. I just am not a huge fan of the discs. That's it. If Happy Planner came out with a coiled planner, I would be all over it. But for different things like notebooks, lists, even bullet journaling, the Christmas planner, social media, I am all down for using discs. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that little subscribe button and tap the little notification bell icon so you can get future video updates for when I upload. This is the holiday extension pack. So you got your menu, and then you got your holiday menu planning. I love that cover. You got a couple different ones to put your menus. If you're hosting holiday dinner, you could even put favorite dinners that you like to make around Christmas time in here. And then there's a recipe section also with the menu. Look at that, how cool on the side. Serves, main ingredients, difficulty, prep time, cook time, temperature notes. This would be great for food bloggers. Here's more holiday recipes. And then we go into party. I love these colors. This is my favorite color scheme for even ornaments, sticker kits, and so on for Christmas, is the red, the green, and that blue. It's like a teal. All right, this is your party planner section. If you have any Christmas parties to go to, so you got a couple different areas for party planning, and then you have a blank page on the other side. So you got your party planner and your blank page. And then we go into Christmas cookie exchange. I think you can use these inserts even if you don't exchange them. Okay, so there's some really helpful tips and recipes in here. These are ingredient substitutes. The last two are some of my favorites. Cards and gifts. So you have your Christmas card list. You got 5 pages of 14 on each page. You have plenty of space to write down anybody you need to send a Christmas card to. Okay, so the third section is a cookie exchange if you participate in that. Ingredient substitutes, if you need to substitute something because of your cholesterol or you're allergic, there's some helpful little neat tips here. And then some cookie exchange tips also, if you do participate in cookie exchanges. And then there's recipes for cookies, which I love this because there's certain cookies I make with my kids, and it's nice to have everything written down so I don't forget. And then this is just a list of what you need to buy, like baking ingredients or party supplies if you are hosting a party. And then if you are hosting a party, you can write your guest list down and if they're coming. Cards and gifts. You got 5 pages of 14 on each page. You have plenty of space to write down anybody you need to send a Christmas card to. And I love the way the edges have these holiday decor to it that looks like washi. Then we have your gift list. So my 5-year-old came to me yesterday and was like, "Mommy, can I make my Christmas list?" So I was like, all right. So I started writing down everything he wanted. Because I have 4 kids, I am going to just do 1 page for each child and then use the other 2 for my family, my parents, my brothers, my husband, nieces, nephews, cousins, grandparents, people like that who I need to buy Christmas gifts for. So on each page you have 4, so you put down who the gift is for, what the gift is, where can you buy it or order it, Then there's this side double check box and it says purchased, wrapped. Being I have 4 kids, I have a lot of gifts to wrap, and you don't even know how many times I have lost gifts along the way. I would remember like a week later, I would be like, oh my God, didn't I get like Cole this? Where is it? And I swear to God, there's so many times that stuff just disappeared and went missing. So I try to write everything down, and then even if it's not on this list, I will write it down after I purchase it. After it's wrapped, I can check it off, and then I know I definitely got it and it's definitely wrapped. Next, we move on to stocking stuffer ideas. So you have 4 on each page, 3 pages in total, front and back. So you have a lot of room for stocking stuffer ideas. And then we have memories. And I love each divider, how it's Christmassy and has like the little saying on it. I just think this is all around adorable. Okay, so this is your favorite memories. So you can write down your favorite Christmas memories, traditions, etc. Favorite memories for photos or doodles. Now, I have a Polaroid zip. I love that because they're 2x3 size, and you can stick little pictures right on this of past Christmas memories that you want to save. And then you could put it away and show your kids 10 years down the road. I actually just did that recently with preschool little books like they did. It was just neat to see their faces. Okay, and then you have holiday traditions. Whatever your holiday traditions are, you can write down. Like I like to take my kids to the light show. We live in Bucks County, and Shady Brook has an amazing drive-through light show. I like to take them to sit on Santa's lap, even though the past couple of years I haven't been able to, because it was always something. But yes, I definitely want to take them to see Santa this year. I do want to get some kind of family picture done, because we haven't had a family picture done since before Patrick was born. So we definitely need a new family photo. I like to bake cookies with my kids. I like to make applesauce ornaments. It's made of cinnamon glue and applesauce, and you get the Christmas cookie cutters and you mix it together. You cut them out, punch a little hole at the top, and you put ribbon through and make an ornament. These things still smell like cinnamon 6 years later, you guys. I mean, they're really cute gifts for kids to make, even for family members, grandparents, teachers, etc. So you can write down any of your holiday traditions. You have many pages for this. So you got 3 pages for holiday traditions and 3 pages for favorite memories. And they're double pages, so you technically have 6 pages for memories, 6 pages for traditions. Okay, so moving on to the last section is notes. And like I said, I love each divider, how adorable the detail and Christmassy theme is. And then you just have a bunch of note pages with little candy canes at the bottom corner to write down any Christmas notes you may have. Like I said, I don't have a cover on this yet, but I am going to make a cover since I bought the Happy Planner Punch. I need to get some new Christmas themed scrapbook paper. Okay, everybody, that is it for today's video on the Happy Planner Christmas planning inserts. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Happy Planner planning inserts. Also, if you think they would be helpful for you to plan out your perfect Christmas. Thank you all again for watching, and make sure you subscribe and tap that little notification bell icon so you can get future video updates for when I upload next. One last thing, if you like my content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I would truly appreciate it. Have a great day, everybody.